Okay. So where did we leave off? Or where did I leave off last? I think that I need to connect here. Yeah. And okay, so the vents here. Connection. I guess it's okay. All these are connecting. I think that we were talking about our heartbeat, right? Okay, so yeah, I think that, okay, so let's do the vent. Okay, let's do the vent here. Let's just, again, we can go here. The vent system is here. Make sure we got all of our parameters right. That's going to be sanitary, but we need to change that system, right? We're going to change this system type to vent. Okay. And here we are going to draw our pipe. Okay. Trying to decide. I think that, I don't know. I mean, you can go on the out. It doesn't matter. Okay. So we're gonna go up 11, right? I'm gonna go out here, okay, and go this way, and the same, because this could be a hallway out here, right? Because I don't want to go in the men's room because we have to have a access panel, all kinds of stuff. So out here, there's probably the tile ceiling, right? But in the men's restroom, there's usually a hard ceiling. So try to stay out of the ceiling in the men's restroom. Otherwise, have to have an access panel up here. So anyway, I'm taking it outside into the, let's say this is a hallway, right? So I can take this, I don't know, can I drag that over? Yeah, okay, anyway, let's go back. So continuing with our vent system, we are going to go over, that should be at vent, yeah, okay, good. We are here, and we're going to go up, right? From here, we go up 11, and come out at 45. Let's see what kind of fitting we have. Well, you know what, let's see what happens. Let's just take a look. Okay. That didn't work. Okay, now what was I doing? Oh man. Okay, so I think I need to change my fitting, huh? Sorry about that. I had to go away and attend a wedding. Okay, so let's change this to sometimes it's like, doesn't matter which one of these to use. Let's see. Let's go back. Let's see, which one is this? Is that the vent or the sanitary? Reducing vent. Okay, so let's go back. I know sanitary, but whatever. Oh man. Whatever's in the program, let's use that. There's no copper, there's no cast iron. Let's use this fitting. Okay, let me stop. That's ridiculous. Anyway, okay, so back to the problem at hand. Okay, let's go here. Here. Come on. And our Vent is gonna go here. And then we're gonna change elevation at 45. Yes. And we're gonna make our connection again. Okay. Here. Here. Okay. Now, so what floor am I on? First floor, first floor, first floor. Okay. 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 So I think that I'm gonna change. There's a second floor that I need to tie this vent system into, because eventually this system is going to go up to the second floor, and there's going to be some fixtures in this bathroom also. So I need to connect this riser and the second riser. So let's change this and have this riser go up. Okay, so we're in the what's that, wall space. We're in the wall space. Okay, and I'm gonna change the elevation to, what's this, the first floor, to, let's say I need to go up 15. Let's go up through the roof. Let's go up 30. Okay, so I'm gonna change the elevation to 30. Okay, now that's 30, and there's no slope. Everything looks good. And from here we apply current offset, right? And when we look at the section view, let's go to section view here. Let's go section view here. We got anything? Nope. Right click, go to that view, and looks like it's going up, up, up. It just made it to the roof, huh? Okay, so second floor we should see come up. So that's our riser. Okay, so on the first floor, let's go back over here. Let's do the same thing. Here, here, up. And I know that should be, oh, that can be 1.5 inch. It can be 1.5. Okay, that's good. Draw, right? 30. Apply. Okay, and we should get another riser here. Section, right? Okay, that's our riser. Okay, and the second level, we're gonna pick that up here. Okay, so that looks good. Let's pick up the this vent. There's a vent system, vent pipe that goes from, because of this trap, we have to in order to balance the trap out, right? Because there's a trap, we need a vent, in other words. So I'm looking at slope, anything, everything's good, right? Let's go here, and I'm gonna go here and up 11 at 45. Let's bring this out just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go, can I fit that? Yes. Okay, and we go back, and let's just make sure that the heartbeat 5. Okay, good. Okay, so now we got our vent and the sanitary. Everything looks good. Okay, so that looks good. That looks good. So that's gonna be a riser. Okay, that looks good. So from here, let's go look at our plot file. That's our waste plot, first floor. Okay, yeah, that looks good. And you know, however you're gonna tag that, right? You go to your annotation and you can do whatever, right? Depending on your tags. Oh, this is a fixture tag, right? That's my laboratory. I can turn that leader off and just set it here. That's our urinal. You know, let's just do this, you know. So, and the same with your pipes, you know, they have to be, this is your plot file. This is where all your annotations are going to go. So I'm just checking to make sure that everything looks good. That's going to be a text. Again, go here. Right? Then you can do whatever. Make that a riser. Do you want to keep changes in your text note? No. Okay. Okay, so let's go back and continue. So that's our riser, and what's my next move? What do I want to do next? I want to do water. Okay, let's go back. I mean, look. Let's go over here. So look at our filters, make sure everything is on or off. And it looks like there's a few systems that are off. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. That's the first floor. Okay. Okay, first floor. So the first floor, we're going up to the second level. Okay, there's no water in for our urinal and our water closets. Okay. Let's go up. Okay. So everything looks good. So from here, I'm gonna go up to the second level because I know create similar here and go right here and go up 15, no slope. I think it's going to default because we've already used it from the fixture. Okay, so that's that, and the same thing for our hot water. Create similar. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's try this again. Right click, create similar here, and I'm gonna go down to about right there and go up 15, 20. I'm gonna change that to 20. Let's look at that because I think the cold waters might be a little short. It might be okay, but let's take a look. Okay. Yeah, it's a little short, I think. Let's turn off some vent and waste so we can see what's going on. Okay. I'm gonna raise the cold water just a smidget. I think we're gonna come up from the bottom and connect. Okay, that looks good. So we got that, and I think that let's look at the second level. Let's just take a look. Yeah, see, those are our risers. Okay, let me look at the second level here. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Let's go back and arrange, because you have to arrange these so that when I'm gonna pick up my my pipes on the second level, I want to make sure that they are going to be okay. I think I can move that over. Yeah, so I don't think it's going to matter at this point because they're going to be on different systems when we plot, right? First floor, right? We're not going to see the vent, so we go over a little bit and maybe move this guy back. Let's just, you know, take a peek, because that's going to be riser up, right? And our vent system is going to be different. We're only going to see that, right? So when we look at the, let's get rid of these, close these down. So when we look here, it looks, you know, because we're not plotting this anyway. This is just a coordination view. Okay. I think that I'm gonna stop here and continue the next time. All right. Well, I hope that helped, and I'll talk to you guys later.